Hi guys, so I thought I'd just make a quick video to show a new plugin scaling feature that I've added to Cantabile. This is for high DPI monitors, so just to show you what I'm running here, this is Windows 10 with UI scaling set to 200%, and I'm running build 3662, which has just been released with this new option that I'm about to show you. Okay, so the other thing that affects this is this option here. So traditionally Cantabile has been able to run in a high DPI mode, and the problem with that is that it causes a lot of plugin GUIs to appear quite small because they don't support upscaling to the higher resolution monitors. So this option here, enabled and upscale plugins, uses a feature in Windows 10 that can stretch a window to a larger size, and that's how Cantabile makes plugin windows appear at a larger size on these high resolution monitors. The problem with that is that it's just essentially doing bitmap stretching, which means the GUI for those plugins can appear blurry, and also not all plugins are compatible with it. So some plugins just completely fail under this mode. And that's to do with the way the plugin needs to be completely sandboxed down. So Cantabile does a bit of trickery to try and enforce that. There's some plugins though that just haven't been able to be made to work with it. So what this new option does is, when this is turned on, enabled and upscale plugins, you can now on a per plugin basis disable the upscaling, and instead, if the plugin has its own upscaling support, turn that on, and that way you get nice, crisp, high resolution UI for the plugin and better compatibility. So just to show you how this works, I'm just going to insert a Zebra plugin, and what you'll see is when I open this, the GUI is the correct size, so this is the usable size of this plugin, but it's bitmap stretched, and you probably won't be able to see it in the video, but it's quite blurry in some spots. Okay, what I've added is the ability to, in here, when you're working with these plugins, you can now right click on a plugin and choose to disable its upscaling. Okay, so if I turn that off, sorry, I should have done that on the VST2 version, which is this one. Yeah. If I disable that now, you'll see I need to restart. The reason for that is if you switch from sandbox to non-sandboxed mode while the plugin's loaded, most plugins get confused and fail. So I've just enforced it that you need to restart. Okay, so I'll just cancel that and save this and restart. And what you'll see now is the UI appears smaller, but Zebra supports the ability to upscale the plugin itself. So if I set this to 200% now, you can see we're back at the normal size, but everything is now super crisp. Okay, so this gives a way to scale up the plugin using the plugin's own scaling rather than relying on Windows 10's blurry scaling. Okay, so that's available now in this build. It's not perfect, and in fact I'm pretty sure there's a bug in Juice, which is a library that a lot of plugins use for VST2 plugins, where it actually creates this window twice as big as it should be. It's the plugin returning the wrong size. I'm looking into that, but for the moment, for those particular plugins where it misbehaves, you'll just have to resort to the Windows 10 upscaling until that particular bug has been fixed. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.